we divide 762 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down this 6 and it is 26. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down these 2 and it is 12. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So 762 divided by 5 is 152 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.